Okay, here we are in Ximending. We're gonna just walk around and check it out. You can see tons of people over that way. You can see some Santa Claus kind of stuff, promotions, and a lot of people are coming out of the station right here as well. And we got a nice sunny day. A lot of people are wearing jackets though. I don't know why, but we're gonna go check it all out. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so yeah, we got a bunch of Santa Clauses. Not sure why. Start. Oh, maybe it's like a lottery. Anyways, we're gonna walk around into here, I believe. Got H&M right there. A lot of people out today. It's a really nice day actually, but it's kind of funny. A lot of people are wearing jackets and warm clothing. So we're gonna meander this way. Let's kind of check it all out. Okay, I kind of want to get into the crowd, so we're just going to push our way into the crowds a little bit. And I also want to get into the alleys, so we're going to also push our way into the alleys as well. And the alleys are going to be a little bit to our left. The Ximending area. It's a pretty cool spot. I wish it went on and on though. It's kind of like contained, there's like self-contained by these large streets everywhere. There we go. I got another guy over here too. Just capture this real quick. Moving. That's what that guy had. I was here a few days ago and I saw him performing as well, and so I guess that's his, kind of his thing. And he had the same kind of hair, and maybe he had the same suit, or maybe something that was really close equivalent anyways. Good turn. So we're gonna just keep on exploring in here a little bit. There's that direction. I think we're just gonna keep on going this direction. I'm gonna try to get out of this whole area altogether. Try to get out of Ximending. So this is the last video that I'll be posting here that I'm aware of. Could come back. And this one, I believe we're going to be coming out of this street. And I believe down that way is the waterway. So I think what I'm going to want to do is, I think I'm going to follow this path a little bit. Then go back in. And I think what later I'm going to do is just start walking some streets. Try to capture what we see. I think Ximending is probably the most easiest place to film because there's such density of people. on going here. We're gonna take a right in a moment. Go back into everything. If I'm walking fast, it's because I want to get off the street and into the Ximending again. Oh, here we go. So now we got Tattoo. It's called Tattoo Street at Ximending. So now we can just walk up this. And actually, I was looking for tattoo shops here, and I only saw one. So I guess that street's a little bit misleading. It's like Tattoo Street, but the reality is that it's more of a clothing street. Oh, here's a tattoo. Kevin. There's another one over here too. United. So there's two tattoos. There's United Tattoo and there's a Kevin Tattoo. And I think the rest are all clothing. So let me see here. You can hear some more live music up that way. And there's also some alleys. I filmed another. I filmed another Ximending and I captured that guy for a little bit. So it's the one just before this because they'll probably put him up sequentially. And this area right here is Don Donkey, Japanese chain. This is huge in Macau too. But it's a chain from Japan. And I believe it says it's 24 hours. And actually I was kind of surprised. This area is kind of quiet and after about 11 p.m. It's really kind of shocked and surprised. But this is the one that was open. I was here. I stayed a couple nights, 2 nights here in Ximending, and that was one of the things I remember. It's like, wow, it's really quiet after 11 p.m. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Some kind of cool buildings up there, and I'm looking forward to getting off the main streets here and getting into other parts of Taipei. So we're gonna do that in a moment. So we got a ton of people down that way. Just kind of see. I think what I'm gonna do is gonna turn around. There's an alley. Actually, I walked down this alley. There's some street food. I think what we're gonna do is start meandering into another part of the city. So I'm gonna just kind of go out of here pretty soon. It's 7.5 minutes in already. Looks like there is more down there. Kind of forgot about that. Maybe because of that we'll actually go across with everybody else. Let's see if I light. I think the light ended. Okay. So we can't go across. So I guess what we'll do is just kind of hang out here briefly. Kind of watch this crowd, and I think what I'm going to do is just keep on going down there in a minute. So let me go across like this. We'll just kind of highlight what we see here. Ah, I think I saw that one too. Squeal. As soon as that light turns red, green, we'll go. I think it's doing a pretty good job though. There's a little older people hanging out today. Older people got it right. They just kind of hang out. They're not really spending any money. They don't need to be entertained, throwing money at stuff. I see some older people just kind of hanging out over there, drinking tea. And look at all these beautiful banyan trees everywhere too. cool little scene right here. Okay. So we're gonna do. I think I'm kind of in the bike path here. I'm gonna take it anyways. I think I can take it. Ah, maybe I cannot. Yeah, that's definitely the bike path. I'll have to take that back. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go. Yeah.